Welcome to this video created in partnership with Grey Matter on the Intel oneAPI Rendering Toolkit. My name is Stephen Blair-Chappell from Bayncore, an Intel oneAPI Technology Partner that provides training, consultancy and technical support in HPC and AI. This is the sixth of 8 short videos. You'll remember from our previous videos that there are 7 toolkits. And we saw that the Rendering Toolkit provides a set of libraries for accelerated image rendering and ray tracing. Within the toolkit, there are 8 components. Intel Embree, a collection of high-performance ray tracing kernels. Intel Open Image Denoise, an open-source library of high-performance, high-quality denoising filters for images rendered with ray tracing. Intel Open SWR, a high-performance, highly scalable software rasterizer for OpenGL. Intel Open Volume Kernel Library, a collection of high-performance volume computation kernels. Intel Osprey, an open-source, scalable and portable ray tracing engine for visualization on Intel architecture. Internally, Osprey builds on top of Intel Embree. Intel Osprey Studio, an interactive visualization and ray tracing application. The Studio uses Intel Osprey as its core rendering engine and can be used to load both complex and very large scenes. Intel Osprey for Hydra is an open-source plugin for Pixar's USD that extends the Hydra rendering framework using Intel Osprey. There are 2 ways you can experience the render kit. One way is to browse the galleries, the other way is to try out the examples provided with the toolkit. There are 4 galleries that you can access via the link at the bottom of this slide. The Embree gallery has a selection of images rendered with different Embree-enabled rendering applications, such as Corona Renderer, SimLab Composer, Nebula Renderer, and of course Intel Osprey. The Open Image Denoise gallery contains a few sample screenshots of different renderings that have been denoised. You can compare the before and after effect by adjusting a vertical slider with your mouse. The Open SWR gallery gives examples of rendering in different popular visualization applications such as ParaView and Visit. The Intel Osprey gallery contains a few sample screenshots of different renderings done with Osprey. In addition to looking at the example in the galleries, you can experiment for yourself using the examples provided in the Getting Started guide. Instructions are provided for both GUI-based and command line-based experimentation. Examples are available for Intel Osprey, Intel Osprey Studio, Intel Embree, Intel Open Image Denoise, and Intel Open Volume Kernel Library. You can try out the render kit examples on the Intel Dev Cloud via a VNC session. The instructions are described in the Render Toolkit for Linux documentation. See the link that's in this slide. There are 3 steps to opening the VNC session. First of all, on your own laptop, SSH into the Dev Cloud, request an interactive session to a render kit compute node, and start a Turbo VNC server session. At that point, you'll be assigned a one-time password which you'll use later. Still on your local machine, open a second prompt and SSH to the compute node you've just been assigned. The details of the exact URL are again in the link that I described earlier. And then thirdly, on your local machine, launch the Turbo VNC client, connect to localhost 1, and then use the one-time password from the earlier steps to be able to connect. And after that, you will have an interactive VNC session where you can try out all the examples of the Render Toolkit. In our next video, we'll look at the Intel oneAPI AI Analytics Toolkit.